Wednesday, March 15th. We're halfway through the month. I won't mention it. I won't mention how fast the time flies by. It's just amazing, but every day is a great day, so I am not complaining. We're a little bit cool. That's great. People want to buy yarn and knit. Happy day. Happy day. We got this in when all my new yarns came in, and I wanted to show you this. We've had it before. I love it. Last year I knit, I didn't finish it, but I just started it. The summer shift, the night shift, the shawl with all the different colors that's written for Spin Cycle. Well, I did mine in this yarn, and it's a summer version, which is great. So, from Louisa Harding, from Knitting Fever, Giardino. We had it in. We've had it in last year. This was the old label. This is the new label. It's all the same yarn. So anyway, Giardino. It is a worsted weight. It is $22.50. It is dyed and spun in Italy. It's vegan cotton blend. Has 284 yards. And it's a self-striper, which is absolutely so fun because every couple rows, it's a completely different animal. It's really fun. So, and I have some patterns. I have a couple crochet and a couple knit that are from the company, but there are a million patterns that you can use. You could even use it for the, well, the shifty is a pullover, but the shift something she did, Andrea Mowry did a, is it Andrea Mowry? No, it's not Andrea Mowry. Who is it? Anyway, doesn't matter. Drea Knits, whatever it is. And she did a cardigan for this winter. And I think to do this in a cardigan would be wonderful. You just need a solid cotton, and I've gotten in tons of cotton. So enough about that. Let me show you the colors that I have. This one is beautiful. It is called Orchid Orchidea. I'm sorry, Orchidea. Love these colors. I mean, everything is hiding underneath. It's so beautiful. Turquoise, purples, browns, limes, orange. Love it. Blues. So that's Orchidea. This is Fiorier. Oh, I don't speak Italian very well. Look at that amazing color. Love that. Really primary, but then again, there's some pink hiding in there. Love that. Nice and bright. It's always fun to mix these and continue with any of the shift things that you want to do. You can mix these colors. It's so fun. This one is Nymphy, whatever Nymphy means. I like it. Orange, blue. Is it the same as this one? No. Oranges and blues, turquoise. Like it. This one is Neons. It is Marguerite. Love it. Look at that. Gorgeous pink, the lime, the purple, the lavender. This would be so pretty, just matched up with anything. I mean, just mix these colors and they go against each other. It's fantastic. This one is more blues, greens, purples. Veronica. Blues, greens, purples. My camera's falling down as we speak. Maybe I can make it stand up. This one's gorgeous. This one is the warm fall tones, but still beautiful. Browns, golds, greens. Gorgeous. That one is called Emma Croccolide. This one I don't think I'll try either. Never mind. Doesn't matter. All right. Purple, yellow, brown, gold. Look at that gold. Oh, so gorgeous. So I have 7 colors. Now, here are some suggestions. These are from Knitting Fever, and this is a beautiful crocheted shawl. This says it takes 2 balls. Hard to believe, but it does. That one's gorgeous. This is a shell. This one takes anywhere from 3 to 7. It's all done on the angle. I like it. Some yarn overs in here. Really beautiful. This is another crochet. Very happy. This one takes 2 balls. I love that. All that little square open mesh pattern. Even crocheted a little flower. And last but not least, this tee, this top, 4 balls it says. So those are just some suggestions. There are tons of patterns out there, and the yarn's been out for a couple of years, so I'm sure we can look on Ravelry and find you all kinds of things to knit and crochet. But it's so fun. You know me. Color, love color, color, color. The more color, the better. Especially a self-striper, because then you never get bored. It's just something new is coming up all the time, and it makes it so much fun. All right, so I think I told you I was knitting the Alaska hat when I went on my trip in December, and I was so excited about it. It was so fun to knit, and the pattern was so fun, the Fair Isle with the trees and all the other stuff. And I got about 3/4 of the way done, and I showed it in the color I picked for my trees and my band. I had a few of the same colors in my sky. That was a big mistake, because everywhere those colors blend, it lost all the definition of the trees. And I knew it when I was doing it, but it just really irritated me. So I didn't want to think what I should do. And so I brought it out to Chrissy and Ray, and they were like, Holly, just rip it out to the headband, to the, the ribbing, and start over and find another color. So guess what? I did. I ripped it out, and I found a blue, beautiful blue with a sparkle in it. So it's going to have blue sky and brown trees, and it's going to be very fun. So as I get going on that, I will show you what it looks like. So anyway, everybody has to rip out. You know what? You just take a deep breath, rip it out, start over, forget you ever put all those 50,000 hours into what you'd already done. So it's all lessons learned. And as I always say, it's only yarn. It's not life. It's not death. It's only yarn. We can fix it. All right. I will see you tomorrow.